As a business owner, how do you manage to keep up with the latest marketing trends? And how do you know which tools or technologies are best to utilize that will generate more sales and more customers? After all, it isn't just about getting new customers, it's about building loyalty and keeping them. Over the years, we have seen the progression of advertising in marketing engines such as newspapers, the yellow pages, and search engines. And now today, we are in the beginning of the next natural progression of marketing engines, convergence marketing. Today, it is more important than ever to increase your digital footprint, to be in front of as many people as possible, and to leverage and combine multiple digital online marketing engines together into one powerful force. Convergence marketing is not just the future of marketing your business, it is here, right now. Today, you now have access to a powerful new technology suite that will help you get more customers and keep them. Introducing eMarketEngine. eMarketEngine integrates leading-edge online marketing technologies into one simple platform. eMarketEngine also eliminates the need to manage dozens of accounts for technologies that are critical for marketing in today's marketplace. The bottom line is that eMarketEngine will help you get more customers and keep them. You can now have all the leading online marketing technologies housed under one roof. Technologies such as lead capture pages, email marketing, webinars and webcasts, video email, social media marketing, mobile marketing, and a full-blown online video platform that finally allows any sized business to manage all their online video marketing and level the playing field. The eMarketEngine suite of digital marketing technologies saves you time, money, and allows you to automatically get plugged into the latest marketing engines to drive more customers into your business. And eMarketEngine is perfect for any sized business, from the lone entrepreneurs to large corporations. Are you ready to learn more or get started? Please provide your contact information below. This will allow your representative to better serve you and provide you with the exact marketing engine you need today so you can start seeing tangible results tomorrow.